You've got a number and a category, prices by neighborhood, scores by class, and you want to compare them. The fastest way to see how groups stack up is a box plot. Here's how to make one in Stratum in under a minute. Start by dragging your spreadsheet onto Stratum. It reads the file, picks up which columns are numbers and which are categories, and drops you straight into a fast data grid. No setup. Now open the Charts menu and choose box-whisker. Pick the number you want to summarize, then the category to split it by. That's it. One box per group, all drawn on the same scale. Each box tells a 5-number story. The line in the middle is the median. The box covers the middle half of your data, from the first quartile to the third. The whiskers reach out to the rest, and any point beyond them is flagged as an outlier, so you can read the groups at a glance. A higher box sits higher, a taller box is more spread out, and a lopsided box means the data is skewed. See an outlier you don't trust? Double-click it and Stratum jumps to that exact row in your data, so you can tell a typo from a genuinely interesting case. Turn on notches to compare medians with a confidence interval built in, and when the full shape of each group matters, switch to the violin chart for the whole picture. When it looks right, export a clean PNG or PDF for your report or slide. That's box plots in Stratum. Download Stratum and try it on your own data.